IFPC Cyber Insurance Sweden app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Cyber Insurance Sweden app is designed to make managing your Busan cyber insurance fast and simple. You might think it's just a digital policy viewer, but it actually lets you submit claims, track premiums, and receive real-time alerts about incidents and policy updates. On the pros side, the app provides strong coverage against cyber risks, including data breaches, ransomware attacks, and network liability. Claims submission is straightforward. You can upload invoices, screenshots, and supporting documents directly from your device. Premium tracking is transparent, with reminders for upcoming payments and a full record of past transactions. Push notifications keep you informed about claim progress, policy updates, and renewal dates. The app also offers guidance on cyber risk prevention and incident response. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, meaning most features require an internet connection. Some users report slower performance when uploading large files or accessing older claims. Advanced predictive analytics aren't available, so businesses can't anticipate risks proactively. In conclusion, the IFPC Cyber Insurance Sweden app is practical, reliable, and user-friendly. While it doesn't include advanced analytics, it performs very well in claims management, premium tracking, and real-time updates. For businesses looking for a simple and efficient tool to manage cyber coverage, this app is a solid choice.